Grab a filled clear bobbin of any color. Pop open the clear plate and remove it from the machine bed. Lay your bobbin on the machine bed to the left. Be sure that your thread is running from underneath the bobbin and leading to the right. Now carefully insert your bobbin into the cavity of the machine. Be sure that your thread is still on the right. Now carefully slide your thread to the left, down and under the small metal slit. Be sure the thread is now leading out to the left. Now lightly hold the upper thread with your left hand and lead it out to the left of the machine bed. Continue to hold the thread lightly. Now manually rotate your hand wheel forward. Continue to manually rotate your hand wheel forward until your bobbin thread comes up and through to the top of your machine bed. Now carefully pull your bobbin thread loop up and through to the top of the machine bed. Now carefully lay your upper thread and bobbin thread together. Now lead both threads to the rear of the machine bed. And finally, reposition your clear plate.